Let's break it down hard. Let's break it down fast. I like to make money, and then I like to walk away. Today, Mega Money Mondays, we're doing it live on YouTube. So we talked about, let's break it down, the chart. Let's break it down. I made over $50,000 a day. I don't even care if you believe me or not, whatever. But we talked about this exact move happening before the market opened, right? We wanted to see basically the gap fill, that 20,500 area to hold support. We don't want the NASDAQ below this level, because if it gets below this level, well, it's probably going to move on down to Friday's low. So what did we do? At open, we pulled back, we chopped around, we held the 520 area, and then we squeezed right back up. Ooh, you gotta love when that happens. So we broke the 15-minute range right there, and then guess what? We broke the 15-minute range back to the upside. So what we've talked about before here, when we break through the middle of that 15-minute range back to the upside, that is a very clear trap, right? This is the trap. We break to the downside, we squeeze right back up, we get the bull flag, and we get the push right up here. We had a pivot point at the 620s, and then right on up here to that trend line at the 695 area there. And right now, looking at the 2-minute chart, these little bull flags paying. Bull flags pay, bear flags today, not really paying a ton, but they're still working. So if we look here on the chart that I trade today, we traded a couple of different accounts, but we traded this account right here. So this is the Tradeify account. I took a little bear flag break from the 527s and then had to get covered when we couldn't break below 500, but still was able to lock in over $3,000 times 7 accounts. And well, I'm pretty happy with that, I would say. And then if we look in this account, this is the live funded account with Top Step that we took the trade here. Or it's in there. Where's this trade at? Took this trade like this. All right, there we go. We took this trade for the bull flag breakout after we broke out of that 15-minute chart from the 78s, and then took some profit up here, 618, and then 624. So 618, 624, breakout, bang, locking in that profit for $5,000 in this live funded account. It's not sim funded, it's a live funded account. You can see the number right there and all that fun stuff. So we locked that in on those accounts, and then in my Apex accounts here, we traded the Apex accounts, and again today locking in the $2,000 across the 11 accounts, and then some of these other accounts locking in $500. These are the newer accounts. I want to get these to pay out and not get too crazy before getting that payout. Just staying consistent there. Just staying consistent and trading the action. Today, the setup was what I thought. Not that I thought it was simple and easy, but I thought it was pretty much like, hey, very important for the bulls to hold this level. We bounced off this area. This is the gap fill. If we lost that level, well, then obviously we would move down. But today we trapped, right? We had this little do, and then bang, the W. It's weird. W, Wieland. You can't spell win without Wieland. So why would you watch anyone else live on YouTube? I don't know. Do what you got to do. But hey, we're over here doing it, making $50,000 in profit. We got above the 21 EMA. We got above the VWAP there. The longs came in from the 580s, now up there to the 697s. And absolutely beautiful move. I was looking for a push at least to the pivot point there. And then we talked about the idea of breaking above the overnight high. So we had the overnight high there at the 650s. And well, obviously, we broke through the overnight high very, very drastically. I mean, we went right through it. And then up there, after that big sell-off there on Friday, kind of expecting some type of retracement here today. And well, the bottom kind of held down there. We push up and, well, kind of just paying the bills here. We're doing it. So I don't really know what else to say. If you want to learn more, you can always check out the course. Right now, the course is $199 right there. You can buy it, learn all these strategies, the 15-minute opening range, the overall idea of momentum, what indicators I'm using, and all of that very, very fun stuff. And well, yeah, tune in live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. We'll be back here. Well, we'll be here tomorrow morning, 9:15. We're live all week long. It's getting bigger and bigger and larger and better, and everything is just, we doing it, baby. I'll talk to you guys later on.